So what up, y'all? This is the before. It looks a little ugly because I just took this off. We're gonna do the installation. I've taken this one of these off before, so I just got the two screws right there, and they got the ones holding it under, the ones right here. So out of all the things in the back, the USB was the most difficult one. So if you're having trouble with it, or if you don't want to just use two of these, I use the one on each side just to pry it back. You got these little tabs just to pry it back. I was using one and one, and then I just ended up pulling it out, and it finally pulled out. Go a little bit more in depth. This is the backup camera cable. This is the one for the sync module. If you got the sync 2, so plug into that. This shit, I forgot what it's for, but I seen it on the Phoenix Automotive video. This is for the new USBs. One then plugs in the unit, and you route the other two new USBs into the glove compartment. This thing has a connection in the back of that. That's for, they were saying, like on Google Maps, like when you give directions. So that's where the output would be. That's optional. It did say that it has an internal mic right here, so I'm not gonna use that. And this is the GPS antenna. I'll see where I do that. So on the Phoenix video, I don't know how they did it, but it says to not remove the little black module, that one right there. Just not to remove it. I did remove it just because I needed access to this. Other way, it just reaches up to like right here, and you can't get your hand behind it. So in order to take the things that go behind it out, I took out the black box, just if anybody's having trouble. So now after trying to make this sit flush, I couldn't. One issue I ran into was this little black box. It was staying right here, so it was preventing it from closing. So now what I'm doing, I stuffed that one in here, and I'm trying to stuff all the other wires in here just so there won't be any clutter, so it could sit perfectly flat. So here it is. This is what it looks like installed. You can change these colors. It has that little ambient lighting. You can put red, blue, whatever you want. You can mix the colors. The RPM speed does work. I haven't driven my car yet, so I'm not sure about the running speed. I'm pretty sure that would work too. And yeah, it's a pretty good system. All the buttons work on it. The traction, steering mode, feel, hazards. The mode obviously doesn't work because this is in a premium Mustang. So it's pretty fucking badass. And here you go with the apps. These are the apps that it comes pre-installed with: Gmail, Google Maps, Play Store, whatever, etc., etc. So this is what the CarPlay looks like, y'all. Obviously, you gotta do it via USB, but that's not bad at all. I don't mind that. Look, looks good. So if y'all got any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment, question, whatever, down below. I'll try my best to answer it. And any questions, let me know, y'all. Let me know your comments on this, and I'll do another video, like a two-week update on this. So I think deuces.